Hi guys! Alam niyo ba na may madali at mabilis na paraan para magkaroon ng automatic numbering sa Excel kahit gaano karami? Try this. Type mo lang, equal sequence, start tayo sa 10, then enter. Automatic, meron ka ng numbering from 1 to 10. No dragging, no hassle. What if gusto natin ng 1,000? Kaya ba? Enter lang. Control-Shift down, may 1,000 tayo. In just seconds. Let's say gusto natin i-try yung 5,000. 5,000, enter lang. Control-Shift down, may 5,000. Diba? Bilis lang. What if gusto mo ng more columns? So, example, equals sequence. Gusto natin ng 5 rows, 5 columns, enter. Meron tayong instant numbering from 1 to 25 in just seconds. Let's say gusto mo naman ng may interval. Halimbawa, gusto mo by 5s. So, try natin. Equals sequence 5 rows, 5 columns. Start tayo sa 5. And ang interval natin ay 5. So, ang sequence natin equals sequence 5, 5, 5, 5. May instant, meron ka ng numbers na may interval 5, 10, 15, 20 in just seconds. Ganun lang kadali gumawa ng numbering sa Excel. Isang formula lang, solve na lahat. Kaya follow lang for more Excel tips. Bye-bye!